Today's tutorial is going to be Amaya. So Amaya can be done different ways: on solid glitter, like the print on glitter on top, or the print on top and glitter on the bottom. So today we're going to do is this pretty glitter with this metallic pink, which I got from Maria Treto. And the glitter has pinks in it too, like those two pinks. So I think it goes great and super like festive. So Amaya comes in 3 different sizes, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is, just to keep it easy, I'm going to layer both of these on top and we'll run it through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus. This one does fit the regular Sizzix, but I have the Sizzix Big Shot Plus on my table. So let's get started. Let's put our mat in the bottom, our dye, our 2 materials that we're going to run through, then our Sizzix plate on top. Then we're going to roll this through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus. Let me see you guys here. There's the Sizzix Big Shot Plus. And we're rolling it through. And it cuts everything out for us in seconds. So let's see what we're working with. We have our tails and our things. So here's the pink and here's pretty glitter. So now we're going to set up our bows on how we're going to make them. So the die comes in 3 sizes. You get a 2.5, a 3-inch, and a 3.5. I already made up the 3-inch. This is how it looks like made up. Super cute. But the same way I made this one, it's the same exact way we're going to do these 2. So you didn't miss anything. So what we're first going to do is we're going to grab our tails. We're going to need some goody rubber bands, and we're going to need a 45 mm alligator clip and a 60 mm. I'm using 60 mm for the 3.5. 45 fits the 3 and the 2.5. So first to do is, the trick to this bow, which is the Amaya, is to use goody rubber bands. So we're going to get a goody rubber band and then we're going to wrap around. So we're going to go like this, and then we'll wrap it around a few times. And then we're going to kind of put it towards the center. So it gives us like this look right here, like a little taco look. Let me heat seal these ends because it's felt backed. Once we have this heat sealed, we're going to do the same thing with another one. Let me grab another goody rubber band. And I use a little one for these. And then we're going to fold it in half. And then we are going to get our goody rubber band. And then we are going to wrap it all the way around. One wrap. And this gives us the little pinch that we want on top. So it kind of makes it stick out. And it looks really cute once the bow is done. Okay, then we kind of bring it towards the middle. And this is what kind of what we want. Just to go like that. So this one, you kind of could tell more like this, but that's the look we're going for. Once we do that, the loop is super simple. All we do is add hot glue in the middle, bring this towards the center, and same with this one. We're going to add hot glue to the middle and bring this towards the center. Once that is done, we are going to grab, the hot glue is so hot. We're going to grab the little thing that we just did right here, and we're going to do it diagonally. So since this is, it's glitter on glitter basically, we are just going to use hot glue. And let me get rid of that little glue string because it's bothering me. Okay, we're going to use hot glue, but we're doing it diagonally. So I'm going to put you guys closer so you guys can see. I'm going to go like this, diagonally. And then I'm going to glue this diagonally as well. So we're going to hold it here for a couple of seconds. Make sure it's nice and stuck. And this is how we're looking at. Like that. So same thing with the other one. This is felt back and this is glitter, so hot glue will work. We're going to do it diagonally. Like that. Get our piece, and then we're going to stick it on like this. And press down. I guess it was more noticeable since it's a different color. Look how cute. So for this one, I'm going to use glitter. And yeah, I'm going to use glitter on both because this one's glitter. On this one, I used the pink. So I could bring out the pink. So if you put the pink in the bottom, you could use pink in the middle. This one, I'm going to use the glitter on the bottom, which is this glitter. And this one, since it's all glitter, I'm going to use glitter. So let me get those pieces out. Okay, so let's do the smaller one first. We're going to add hot glue at the back, just like we always do. Get our center strip, press it down. And then I'm going to wrap it all the way around. Over here, put hot glue here, bring our center strip over, press down the middle, make sure it's nice and stuck on there. Come back to the back, and then we're going to cut off what we don't need. So there goes this one. Look how cute. And then the same thing for the next one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to add hot glue to the back. Get our center strip. Glue it down. I'm going to come back this way. I'm going to add hot glue all the way over. Bring it over. Make sure it's nice and stuck on there. Come back towards the back. And then cut off what we don't need. And looks like that. So now we can add our alligator clip with teeth. So for the smaller one, I'm going to use the 45 mm. So for the 2.5 inch and 3 inch, I use 45 mm. For the 3.5, I'm going to use the 60 mm. So let's flip it over. We're going to add, I line my clips with 1/4 inch gold grain ribbon. I get that off of Amazon. So add hot glue, and we're going to stick it onto the back. And then we're going to press down here to make sure it's nice and stuck. We're going to add hot glue here. Open up our clip, and the same way I add the clip to this one is the same way you add the clip to the next one. We're going to add more hot glue to the middle and bring this towards the center. Then I like getting my X-Acto and rubbing it in and kind of like getting it here and lifting it back up. Let's get a bow card. Here is the final look on the bow cards. They are super cute. And this is the Amaya. It's available at mariadelto.com. It is die number 1155. So go check it out. Follow for more tutorials.